Hello, it's your girl FractionQueen. This is a quick video to show you how to mute someone when you're a moderator on someone's live on TikTok. So at the moment, I'm on my friend's live. I am a moderator here, and I'm going to use this profile as an example. So here we go. Once you click on the profile picture, you're going to hit Manage and click Mute. And then up here at the top, you're going to get a message confirming that person has been muted. If you want to unmute that person, all you've got to do is click on their profile again. Going to click Manage. And there we are. It says Unmute. Okay. So it's really that simple. As a moderator, the only other thing you can do is to report somebody. Just wanted to show you that you cannot mute a moderator. So as you can see, Abigail Daniels 50 is also a moderator. When I click on her profile, all I can see here is report. I'm not able to mute her. If you've got any other questions, please let me know and I'll be happy to make a video for you. Take care, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at the magic 1,000 number and I really appreciate everyone's support. Thank you.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.